We are here to see the Avanya, and this is the Tata Avanya. Looks like Range Rover, but the Land Rover, the big one, but a little more less height. From front, it looks great, and what nice alloys. The back looks great. If it moves, we're gonna shoot the complete two parts. And the thing here with Tata Motors is that they are not allowing anyone to go inside to watch the cars. Basically, it's all from here or there, and even if you ask for the permission, they are not letting anyone go nowhere near the car. So that's pretty sad. People had a lot of expectation, but you can just see the cars from very far away. So this is the car right here, and you can see the front face of the car looks great. Also the alloys looks great. In the production ready form, it would be so great. Let me take you for a walk around video. Though I wanted to see how it looks moving, but there is no option of moving. So yeah, this is the only option of taking the car from all four sides. And if I go that side, you can see how long it is. There are a lot of people here, but a lot of problem here also shooting the car. And this is the side profile from this side. Looks like Range Rover, but yeah, the styling is quite good. If this car comes on Indian roads, I'm gonna say that it will be one of the top selling cars in India from luxury perspective. And this is gonna be the Avanya concept, Avanya right there, and it's gonna be all new brand from Tata, only with the stylings on the headlamps and the tail lamps. But if I show you how much people are here, just look around. These are just here. We are not allowed to go near the Sierra, Tata Sierra, but we'll try to go as near as we can to see the Tata Sierra, the new Tata Sierra that's gonna come in the petrol and the EV platform. Let's go slowly. We're gonna shoot as much as we can with these cameras that we have, with the stick and everything, because they are not letting anyone go inside. So we're gonna go most near we can, and we're gonna shoot as much as we can with these cameras. But look at it, guys, it looks beautiful. The car looks beautiful in yellow color. I think it's gonna be the top selling car from Tata. And I have seen BE6 in real from Mahindra, and that cars are nowhere near to designing. So guys, just look at the looks of the car. It's pretty beautiful, and side by side is the Harrier EV. Harrier EV is gonna be a game changer, but the more game changer gonna be the Sierra. And if you see the two cars, it looks very different from the Harrier EV. That looks more big. And this car you can see side by side with the old Sierra. The design has completely changed, and this one looks more good. Then you go that side is more. So here is the Punch EV, and the Punch EV, pretty famous car, one of the top selling cars in India. Here is the Safari from side, and they are showcasing how they have made the side profiling. the safety features of the car. This is the Harrier 4x4 EV concept, and this looks pretty good, guys, pretty good. If you can see, the Harrier is also gonna be the top selling car as soon as it comes in EV. But I want one Safari EV because it's a 7-seater. This is only a 5-seater, and this has the off-road capability. I want one Safari with off-road capability because Safari is one of the cars that defines off-roading in India. Here is the Tata Curve in red and white grease color. So looks great, the two cars together. If you can see the profiling, I really like the car design. Although the people are not buying the top models with the sunroof, it's pretty good to see on the roads. Here is again Harrier, Punch and Safari. Let's go a little this side. This is the Tata EV, pretty different color. This one doesn't look like yellow, it doesn't look like cream. It looks very different. This is the teal green that is already there. So Tata Tiago is also one of the top selling cars in India. Car also looks good. Not so good, but yeah, more or less. From the back profile it looks like this, and from the front here is the Punch EV in different colors. This is the normal Punch EV. This is with flex fuel in ethanol base, dual fuel, and there are the different colors of Punch EV. And that's pretty much of it. Here are the Nexons. The Tata Nexons are here. So Nexon ICNG. In few years time, Tata has taken over the market. Like 10 years back, Tata was reestablishing itself, the brand that it is today, and in 10 years it has got Tata Nexon, the top selling car, Tata Punch, the top selling car, and Tata Tiago, that is one of the top selling cars, and other than that, the Harrier and the Safari both together are also good selling cars in the SUV segment. With this Sierra is going to be a game changer also. Guys, we are at the Tata Pavilion right now. It's hall number 1 in Auto Expo, Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. And this whole is all about. Gonna be starting from Tata trucks. This is one LNG truck